Shalom. Is it Jean? Is it Giovanni, Juan, Johannes, or Yannick? Actually, it is Yochanan, a Hebrew name made up of the first part of the tetragrammaton associated with the identification of the name of God, and the Hebrew word chen, often translated in English as grace. At the end of the 1st century CE, Yochanan received a revelation from Jesus, whom he called by his Hebrew name, Yeshua. Throughout the centuries, this revelation has been interpreted, reinterpreted, and overinterpreted. As I read and studied these interpretations, I realized that whereas they all had their own values, they interpreted the revelation Yochanan received according to Christian religious ideas that did not yet exist in his days. This is what gave me the idea of a book attempting to reconstruct that revelation according to the Jewish understanding that may have been that of Yochanan in the 1st century CE. Want to read the final product? Stay tuned, coming soon to a city near you. Shalom.